Anita from Knitting in the Mitten, and it is April, and I'm wearing my winter coat again because it's getting cold, for a little bit anyway, and it is spring though, and I want to share with you some sounds of spring in Southwest Michigan. So here goes. We hear the peepers. Can you hear the peepers? Do you have peepers in Kansas?
These are Isa Browns. Those are golden lace Wyandottes.
The little gray ones are?
Yeah, those are silver lace.
Oh.
No, I'm sorry. No, those are black Australorps.
Okay.
And there's some Amberlinks in there too.
Okay.
We got a little bit of everything.
Yeah, you do.
And these are week and a half old Buff Orpingtons here.
Oh,
Yeah, they're already feathered out.
that's crazy. So, even though it's spring, it's warming up sometimes. I decided to buy some more bird food. I wasn't going to. I thought they need to start fending for themselves, but it's not really warm weather yet, so I did buy some more food at the feed store. I buy a big, huge bag of their special mix. It smells fruity. The birds love it, and I'm a sucker. So, thanks for watching, and subscribe if you haven't.